Deep within a lush, green forest surrounded by massive, snow-capped mountains lived Chiku, a tiny bird with big dreams. Every morning, he would sit on a low branch, watching other birds soar high above the peaks. He often wondered, will I ever see what lies on the other side? His wings were small, and his heart was filled with a fear of falling. Chiku tried to fly many times. He would flap his wings as hard as he could, lift off for a few seconds, but the moment a gust of wind hit him, he would tumble back to the ground. The other birds watched and laughed. They would mock him, saying, "Give up, Chiku. Your wings weren't made for these mountains. You belong on the ground, picking berries. The sky is for the strong, not for you." One evening, a wise, elderly eagle landed softly beside him. Chiku looked up with tears in his eyes and asked why he couldn't fly like the others. The eagle looked at him with kindness and said, "Little one, the sky isn't too high. Your eyes are just focused too much on the ground. Birds don't fly with just feathers, they fly with their will. Don't try to cross the entire mountain today. Just try to reach a branch 1 foot higher than yesterday." Chiku took those words to heart. He stopped listening to the laughter and started listening to the rhythm of his own heart. He practiced in the rain, through the heat, and against the wind. He fell 100 times, but he got up 101 times. Slowly, his wings grew stronger. He wasn't just hopping anymore, he was climbing the air, one tree at a time. Finally, the day came. Chiku looked at the highest peak and took a leap of faith. The wind howled and his muscles ached, but he didn't look down. He pushed through the thickest clouds until suddenly, everything went silent. He had reached the summit. The entire world was bathed in golden sunlight beneath him. He realized then that the mountain was never the obstacle, his doubt was. Friends, life is often like Chiku's mountain. We get scared by the height of our goals and stop trying. But remember, success is not about one giant leap. It's about the small, consistent steps we take every single day. Your effort is your greatest strength. Never stop flapping your wings, for the horizon is waiting for you.
Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh. Can you feel my